called Stairfruit. Stairfruit is different because it uses a dictionary of terms called BBC Things, which is something we develop and maintain internally. And it's basically a dictionary of entities, themes, and storylines which are relevant to the BBC. I think there's approaching 100,000 entries now. And for example, if there's a breaking story like the Grenfell Tower disaster, a journalist will create a tag to represent that story, and it will be used by all the journalists to tag related stories. Stairfruit uses very standard multi-label text classifiers. It's trained using about 5 years of articles which have been manually tagged by BBC journalists. And it uses a statistical approach using two technologies, TF-IDF and support vector machines. And I can't really go into the detail of those today, so I put some links in there if you're interested. And it actually supports 11,000 unique tags. And because news is quite dynamic, we train it every 48 hours to incorporate any news tags and news storylines which are appearing. And this is showing Stairfruit in action. I've got a story on the left, and these are the topics tags, the about tags for this story. And so typically it will find 3 to 5 topics for a typical news article. But it will also do mentions tagging. So this is basically all the entities found in the text, typically 10 to 30 entities in a news article. And Stairfruit has been really effective for tag suggestion in the content production system, much better than the previous Mango system. And it's also found applications elsewhere in the BBC. So we're not only tagging news articles, but we also use it to tag iPlayer content. So things like the program descriptions and even the subtitles from TV programs can be tagged using Stairfruit.